Hello guys, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we are here with a new and fresh episode of Review Therapy, and today we are reviewing a new and latest smartphone which is being revised, and it is the Samsung Galaxy On8 2018 version. So let's our review begins. So now let's talk about the general specifications of the Samsung Galaxy On8 2018. It runs on Android 8.0. It has the octa-core processor and its battery is 3500 mAh. While its camera are dual 16 megapixel with aperture f1.7 and 5 megapixel with aperture f1.9, and its front camera is 16 megapixel. Its RAM is 4GB and its chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, which is very low according to nowadays because many upgrades are available about the chipsets, about processor. And according to me, the specifications of the Samsung Note On8 are too low. So let's see what happens. The phone was launched on 1st August in India. So now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy On8. Samsung Galaxy On8 comes with a 6-inch HD plus Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1480 pixels. The smartphone sports 16 megapixel sensor with aperture f1.7 and 5 megapixel sensor with aperture f1.9 on the back. For selfies, it comes with a 16 megapixel front facing camera. Running on Android 8.0 based TouchWiz UI, the smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor. It also has 4GB of RAM and comes with 64GB built-in storage. It supports expandable storage up to 256GB via microSD slot. The phone houses a 3500 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy On8 2018 is a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, FM, 3G and 4G with support of band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. So according to myself, the phone specifications are too low according to nowadays because the many models have higher specification than Samsung On8. So the resolutions of the phone are too low, which are 720 pixels by 1480. Let's see what the phone does in the market. And the Snapdragon processor is too low. Yeah, it includes fingerprint sensor at back below the camera, but the look of the phone is quite beautiful. As you can see, the phone is very slim and smart. So guys, if you like our video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update from Review Therapy. As you all know that I show all the specifications of the smartphone at the end, so I will be showing the whole specification at the end. For that you have to watch the full video, you have to watch till end. So talking about this smartphone, it is on I think so it is in two colors. The one is, it's in black and blue color. So guys, here we have the full specifications of the phone, and the specifications begins. So have a look on these specifications. If you like the video, hit the like button and must comment in the comment box. And if you have better suggestions for us, you can also comment it in the comment box. So that's all from my side. Hope you like our video. See you in the next video. For now, take care.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.